Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our University of Phoenix students account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your University of Phoenix student account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for student login for University of Phoenix. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here you can log into your university's account by just tapping on this first option which says University of Phoenix login. So after tapping on that option, now you can log into your account. So to do that, what you can do is just simply tap on this username and then password. So now what you have to do is just simply enter your username and password. After entering your username and password, now what you can do is just tap on login. And after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your username or password, what you can do is just simply enter your username or password. But if you have forgotten your account's username or password, then what you can do is just simply tap on forgot username or password. And by tapping on forgot username or password, you can easily reset or recover your account's password. So after recovering your account's password, what you can do is just come back to this login page and then enter the password that you have recovered. And after doing that, just tap on login. And after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your University of Phoenix student account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.